Welcome back everyone. If you're new to the channel, on this channel I share about my farming journey. Today I'm doing a video showing you around my yard. This is just where I stay. So we have like banana grass. This is the banana grass which we use to feed our rabbits. And then we also have this is just a trial and error. These are potatoes. So if you check here, they are really doing nice. Like they're doing nice. These are just potatoes. From potatoes we have a lychee tree. A lychee is, yeah, this is the tree, lychee tree. And then on the other side we have sugar cane, and we have two types of sugar canes. They're just still growing. They'll be ready around June. Yeah, around June they'll be ready. These are the other white sugar canes. They're really nice. These ones, they really do grow tall. And then here, we have our security guard here with kids. So this is just a walk around video. I'll show you what we have. Those are the sugar canes. And then here we were trying sweet potatoes in sacks. So I've saw around people doing sweet potatoes in sacks. So this was just a trial one. We're harvesting our sweet potatoes. They've been here for quite a while, but like if you check it, they're still small. But like I think they were disturbed by those heavy rains. And the other thing is that there's even a shade here. So I think there's a lot of sweet potatoes here, but I feel like the disadvantage would be the shade, and there were those heavy rains. So I'm still trying to be harvesting the sweet potatoes. And here is, sorry for that, and here we have our sugar canes, and then grapefruit. These are our grapefruit. They are really nice. And they are red inside. If you are really into farming, I think with grapefruit you can make a lot of money. Because like even if I'm to sell this, we are selling them at a very high price, but mostly is for our consumption. And then this is a mango tree, and these ones, they are those big ones, like they're really big. But with this mango tree you have to really pay attention onto pests. You have to really spray them, because like if you don't, it's those which by the time you're harvesting them, you will be finding them, there will be something inside. So with this one, let's pass. And then this is another grapefruit. This one doesn't really have a lot of fruits. This one is not ready for harvest. And the other grapefruit tree, this one have a lot. Yeah, here there's a lot. And then from then a mango tree. And even this one, you have to pay a lot of attention to it, because there are so many pests. And these are another fruits, grapefruits. They're really quite doing well. The other thing is that what we have and papaya. Is it papaya tree? And that one we cut it down because it was not really performing well. And here are the grapefruit. This one is not performing well. I was even thinking of cutting it last year. So let's go. This is what usually you will find in Venda, because like if you check here, what are they called? Narkis, something like that, but they are really good. Even with these ones, sometimes what I saw people failing to have a very good harvest is that they don't really even take care of these fruits. They are even ready for harvest. Yeah. So I just wanted to show you what I have. You see, with fruits here, there's no buying fruits, because like you check, I'm now going to be eating this one. It's really nice. Even with those grapefruits, they are really nice. And then here we have a avocado tree. An avocado tree. So these are some of the trees which we have around here. So around the yard, we have a very big yard. And there, it's those rabbits. It's the rabbits. So I just thought I should just do a walk around video to show you around. Yeah, so here are the rabbits. I'm so sure you have saw them on the other video. So living here is quite simple, because like we don't really buy a lot of things. We were even having chickens. The reason why we normally have chickens is that of snakes. We were having a lot of snakes. So snakes do. See, here are the rabbits. So you see, yeah, the rabbits. With rabbit we sell rabbit meat. We're selling rabbit ears for dogs, and then we are also selling rabbit urine and even banana grass for those who have cattle. And here's the collection of rabbit urine. So we are selling the rabbit urine. So yeah, that was just a video showing you around. So if you have made it so far, I kindly ask you to like the video